Hi friends, our teachers are special. We are what we are because of our teachers. This Teachers' Day, how about let's do something special for them? I'm making these two cards. Join me in all the fun. Let's get started! To make this magical pencil, all you'll need is 3 colored sheets, and a scissor, a pencil, a black marker, a glue stick, a ruler. Let's get started! Let's start with cutting our sheet into half. Let's fold our pink paper into half, then mark 5 and 10 centimeters using the ruler. Now let's fold our paper on the dots. Let's now put one corner towards the center and one away. This is my card. Let's get started with the pencil. To make this pencil, you'll need to cut out a triangle at the top of the pencil, and then you'll need white and pink cutouts of paper for the eraser. I'm gonna first cut some curves on the back of the eraser to make it look like a razor. Then with the black marker, I'm gonna draw a lead here. This is what my pencil looks like. Even though it looks like a pencil, it doesn't draw. Now let's paste our green pencil to our pink base. And then we're going to cut when it dries. Make sure you put the glue on the pink side and only on the top and not on the line. Now let's get cutting. I'm only cutting this top part, not the bottom one. So it's a card. And here's my card ready. Now go ahead and decorate it and write your own message for your favorite teacher. Bye! I'm ready with my pencil. I even decorated it. I even written a message for my teacher. You can decorate and write your own message to your teacher. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye! Wait! We have to do the next card. To make this pop-up card, all you will need is 1 colored paper, 1 white paper, a pencil, a few markers, a chop, a ruler, and lots of love. Let's get started! Let's start the pop-up part of the card. I'm going to fold the white paper into half. Let's start drawing the podium on the folded edge. I will start from this edge, leaving 5 centimeters, then doing 2 stairs with 3.5 centimeters width and height. This is what my card looks like. I'm gonna do 2 centimeters top to bottom, then 3.5 centimeters left to right. I'm gonna join these vertical lines to the bottom using the ruler. This is what my podium looks like. I'm gonna cut my lines. Only the vertical lines. Let's fold on the horizontal lines. Now we got to open our card. Take these out. This is what our pop-up card looks like. This is what it looks like from the back. Let's outline the podium now. This is what our podium looks like now. And use the stencil to make the numbers. This is what our podium looks like with the numbers. I got some cutouts of hearts. Let's paste them to our picture. I'm going to put glue on the bottom part of the little heart. And then paste it here. So the big heart, I'm going to put it all over. Now let's stick the big heart on at the top of here. Let's wait for the glue to dry. In the meanwhile, we can make the top cover. I'm taking this yellow sheet and folding it into half. Now I'm doing the tree in Autumn Tree by the Moon. You can see the link of it in the description. We'll color in the bottom bit only, till here. Let's do my favorite part. Let's do the flowers. I got some red paint here, and I'm going to do some vertical taps on the branches to make flowers. First, I'm going to take the paint, tap, 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 and tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. This is what it looked like without the last color. Can you guess the last color? What was that? Yes! Pink! Let's paste our front cover and put it on our pop-up card. This is what the card looks like. You can write your own personal message to your own teacher. I'll write my message to my teacher. I got my message up. Here's what it says. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for helping me grow. And here it says, love, Frenny. Bye! See you next time! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.